Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your ElevenLabs account to HeyGen step by step. So this connection is useful when you want to import and use ElevenLabs voice inside HeyGen. So first, log into your ElevenLabs account, and once you are on the dashboard, click Developers, then select API keys, and from here, create a new API key and enter a name for it. Next, use the permissions for the key. To import and use an ElevenLabs voice in HeyGen, make sure text-to-speech access is enabled. You can also scroll down and select any other permissions that you may need. However, text-to-speech access is enough when you only want to import a voice into HeyGen. And after choosing the permissions, click Create Key, and then your API key will appear on the screen. So copy it right away because you may not be able to view it again later. Now, return to HeyGen account and open the Voices section. Click Import from Third Party. Choose ElevenLabs from the available options and paste the API key into the provided field. And finally, click Confirm to complete the connection. And once the integration is finished, your imported ElevenLabs voices should be appearing in the HeyGen voice section, ready for you to use. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.